What is a transfer? Personal finance banking. What is a transfer? A transfer involves the movement of assessed monetary funds and or ownership rights from one account to another. A transfer may require an exchange of funds when it involves a change in ownership. Understanding transfer. A transfer is a term that has a broad connotations among various industries and transaction types. Belong a few examples of how a transfer is triggered for an individual, group, or company. Banking transfer: when an account holder move fund from one account to another account, say from a checking account to a saving account with a higher interest rate, or from saving to an higher account. A transfer has occurred. The transfer does not have to be with the same bank. To more funds are normally transferred for purpose of financial planning, to take advantage of better investment rate, to make payment for good or service, so bring up the required balance of another account, to gift someone or an organization, or the save money, among other reasons. uh, Brokerage transfers. Brokerage transfer: investor normally transfer fund and assets from within or outside their brokerage account. An investor who need to fund his investment account so that he can purchase more shares may choose to make a transfer from another investment account held with the same broker, or held with another broker more assets like company stock, bonds, certificate of deposit, CDS, certificate, mutual fund, etc. Payment and cryptocurrency: to transfer money from one account to another. PayPal, Venmo, for example. Cryptocurrency exchange: assess title and transfers